I want to start by talking to you about the changing nature of war. We earlier used to see in Hollywood films drones, swarm drones going up, leading an attack. Now, all of that at immense speed seems to be happening in real life, being deployed in real theaters of action. As Chief of the Indian Army Staff, how do you see the nature of warfare change? And can you give to our audience here at the India Today Conclave some insights into how the Indian Army is preparing for the changing nature of warfare?
Thank you, Rahul. And at the outset, thank you for having me here in the India Today Conclave. It is a great honor, not only for me, but for the Indian Army, to have an opportunity to interact with such a distinguished audience and to share some of our views. Coming on to the changing character of war, there is no doubt that the character of war is changing. Although the nature of war remains constant, and the nature of war is, of course, to impose your will on the enemy. But the manner in which it is done, the character of war, that is what is always in a state of flux and which is always changing. It is not as if technology was not there in the wars of the past. After all, most of the inventions, whether it is radar, sonar, airplanes, the tanks, all of it were technological inventions of their times to deal with the changing character of war. And similarly, as we go ahead, technology is again going to play a very important part in how we prosecute the wars of the future. But for doing that, we have to also study the wars of the past and whatever conflicts are ongoing. You would have noticed that only yesterday there has been another drone strike on an airport in Saudi Arabia. So is that the way of the future? So we have to crystal gaze a little bit and try to figure out for ourselves what will be the contours of any future conflict. And I think that is the bigger challenge, to be able to home on to what the future wars would be like, and in order to deal with them, what is the way we have to go about building our capabilities and capacities. But one thing which is emerging quite clearly is that the wars of the future will be more distant. There will be more standoff weapons, more over-the-horizon strikes, rather than the physical conflicts, the physical engagements that we have been used to in the past. But having said that, I would like to also re-emphasize that we have two unsettled borders, both on our west and on our north. So although it is good to be talking about technology, the nature of these unsettled borders makes it very necessary to also have boots on ground. The physical occupation of territory, to be able to stake our claim to it and to protect the territorial integrity. These necessities aren't going away anywhere. And therefore, as we embrace technology, we will also have to keep this in mind, that we cannot do away with this very important requirement.